Amazing. Have we met dragons before, or is this going to be our first dragon?
It's going to be my first time.
First time ever. Well, normally we start. Not going to get to meet a new dragon again? Well, I honestly might disagree because we have lots of dragons around here. You honestly might encounter more than you mean to. Yeah, I will say there's these little ones that are like smoke breaths. They just big smoke air around themselves, and they still shiny things. So if you see a big cloud of smoke, you find your shiny things. Okay? We're getting a little bit overrun at this point. Big babies, yeah. Honestly, call him a big baby boo. He might just call you a great baby. He likes to say that all the time. I've been saying that, honestly. Well, you guys have a good stay. I hope you enjoy me very much. You're excited to meet my dragon? Oh, well, I hope it goes well. As long as you don't smell like fish, it should be fun.
Thank you.
Bye, friends.
Hiccup, seen
Are you a little toothless yourself there? Oh, he's gonna love you there.
His name is Drake.
Drake, hi Drake, how's it going?
Like a dragon.
That's a very strong name, is Drake. What is this little symbol? Oh god. Okay.
Have you seen any sewer dragons?
Have I seen any sword dragons?
Sewer dragons.
Sewer
Of
dragons.
the ghost kind?
I have not seen a ghost dragon. We do have.
Well, she's doing her job then.
But wait, you take care of ghost dragons? That's the thing?
I guess so.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to add some things to the book. Okay. I thought changelings are about as close to ghosts as I know about. They disappear and blend into everything, similar to how a ghost would. So if you do see any changelings,
Like they are my favorite.
oh, thank you. I'm just a guy.
That's nice. He, when he was leaving, he kind of did it.
Yeah.
He's so interactive. That's nice. To me, that's still nice than anything. Here we go. We're gonna meet.